Dua, tiga.
Good morning. I am Agam Gamaliel from Office Application 1. Today, I would like to tell you about my daily activities. At 6 a.m., I wake up and I make breakfast. At 7 a.m., I take a bath and get ready to go enter tree. At 8 a.m., I start learning English at enter tree. At 9:30 a.m., I finish study and went home. At 10 a.m., I feed my pets and clean my house. At 11 a.m., I clean myself and for a while, then went to sleep. At 2 p.m., I wake up from sleep and drank a glass of water, then I clean the yard. At 4 p.m., I cook my pet's food. At 5 p.m., I went to take a shower and rest while playing on my cell phone. At 7 p.m., I booked vegetables and made a dinner. At 8 p.m., I make target that I will achieve for 2025. Okay. At 9 p.m., I feed my pet, and after that, I get ready to sleep. At 10 p.m., after I clean myself, I went to sleep. Okay, that's my daily activity. Thank you for your attention. Good morning.